Hi Dress It Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Gekko from PJ Masks. So let's get started. To draw a cute gecko, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So we're going to come right here and draw this big curve that comes down. So let's go up nice and high, round, and bring it down. Then from there, we're just going to go ahead and connect at the bottom with a soft curve. So let's do the same thing on the other side. So like this corner, oops, this corner right here, we're just going to give ourselves another point about right there, close to each other. And we're going to draw the same thing on the other side. So nice and high, bring it down about there and connect there. Then from there, we're going to come in here and, well, actually, you know what? Let's draw a soft curve right here first. Just towards the top on each one. Then we can go ahead and draw a big circle in here. So maybe towards this corner a little bit more. So about right here. Let's draw this big circle. And then let's come in here on this corner right here. We're going to draw another circle for a highlight. And then come back in and draw another circle. And then we're going to shade this part all in black. So that way when you're coloring, this part right here is going to be the color of his eyes. So same thing on this side. Towards this corner a little bit more. And right here. And shade this all in. There. Okay, so now that we have the eyes in, let's go to the top of each eye. So say about right here, we're going to draw a brow. So just a soft arc right over the eye and thicken it up. So same thing on the other side. About right here, soft arc and down and thicken it up. Then from there, let's come in between the eyes, and right about here, we're going to draw a little oval for his nose. So just go curve right here, and then we're going to round it off to draw our oval. There. And let's give him a sweet smile, of course. So come down, say about right here, and just draw a wide smile and cap it off. Then from there, we're going to need to start to draw his face. So let's just say about, I'll make it a little bit easier, like maybe the center of his eye, doesn't really matter. Say about right here. I'm going to come out just a little bit, not too much, about right here, and same thing here. And we're going to draw this tall curve above. So let's come right here, kind of this ovalish shape. We're going to go up nice and high. And towards the center right here, we need to stop. But if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and come back all the way down here. But I'm going to come about right here towards the top and draw a little curve right here. Kind of like drawing a unicorn horn, but this is his little outfit right here, the spine and the top. So we're just going to draw this little curve right here. And then go ahead and finish it off by right there. And come down. So same thing on the other side, just bring us down to that point. Then from there we can come in. I'm just going to widen it out a little bit here for his cheeks and then bring it in. So same thing here, widen it out a tiny bit and then start to bring it in. And let's find our center. So say about right here, I'll give myself a point. And let's bring a curve down to connect to here. So nice and round about right here. And flatten it out. So same thing on this side. There. So it's kind of like this ovalish shape, right? Just a little bit wider towards the bottom for his cheeks. Then from there, let's come back to his nose. So like by the center of his nose, here and here on both sides, we're going to create a curve about here and round it off. It's kind of like drawing this oval for his mask. So same thing on the other side. Just bring it in. There. Okay, so we're finally done with his head. Let's draw his body. So let's come about right, it's kind of like right here. Let's draw his shoulders. So let's bring it down on both sides. There. Then let's kind of like skip a little bit space, kind of like where his armpit area would be. About right here. And we're just going to go ahead and start to draw a slight angle line that comes out on both sides. Just slightly. And let's just keep bringing it down. So it's a very simple outfit, just a one piece, right? So let's keep bringing it down. And let's say about right here, I'll stop, give myself a slight angle line right in the center. And this is where I'm going to start his legs. Here and here. So let's work on this side first. Let's come down at an angle. To about right there. Let's bring this down. And we're going to stop short of this line because this line is a little bit straighter. All right there. And then this line is going to curve out for his feet and then bring it down. Then we're going to go across slightly and come in. There. So same thing on the other side. Let's bring this angle out to the same level and same thing here. All right there. Once again, we're going to go out. And we're just going to connect everything. Come down a little bit and bring it in. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw his arms. So we're just going to have them to his side. So about right here, I'm just going to start to curve out and in to about right there. Let's thicken it up. Elbow area, and then bring it down. And so then about right here, I'm going to pop this out a little bit and then bring it in. And one more curve down, and then we're just going to angle it in. It's nice and simple. And then put a little line right there. There. So same thing on this side. Start to curve it in. So make sure I'm about the same area, but right here. And once again, thicken everything up and bring it in. So about right here, we're going to come out. Once again, little curve. And angle and connect. And then a little line right here. There. And then for some details, let's draw his little knee pads. So about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw this oval shape. And then I believe there's like 2 lines in here to break it up. And same thing over here. There. And of course, let's draw his hero symbol, right? So let's come to the center, and about right here, we're going to be drawing this kind of upside down teardrop shape. So draw a curve right in the center, and then we're going to bring it down to a point. There. And then we can, I think there's like 2 lines in here, I believe. And then we're going to draw the eyes. So let's come right about here. We're going to follow this angle. We're going to go up. Right here, we're going to curve down. Give a slight angle right here. So same thing here. Go up, then out, and connect. Then we're going to come back to this shape right here, and we're going to have to draw this oval that goes around the eyes. So same thing here. go around and just create our oval. There. And we have his little hero symbol, his gecko symbol, right? And that is pretty much it. Oh no, actually, you know what? Oh my goodness. He has a tail we need to draw. So right about here, just imagine a tail that's coming out. So say about right here. And pop this tail out. Very important tail. Thicker right here, and then we're just going to get thinner and connect with a little curve. And that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Gekko from PJ Masks. My set, the 3 of them are all complete. So if you love PJ Masks, definitely check out my PJ Masks playlist if you want to draw them all. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.